These days, every teacher has the same struggle: how to inspire and motivate students to learn in a world full of digital distractions. Our solution is to give students a way to express themselves through comics. By transforming a medium already familiar to students into a powerful visual writing tool, Pixton for Schools brings fun and creativity back into learning. With nothing more than a web browser, students can immediately start designing flexible characters, giving them expression, and moving them into any pose, using Pixton's intuitive click-and-drag interface. They can style text in dynamic speech bubbles, customize props, and compose reusable backgrounds, even upload images and sound. They can vary the length and layout of each comic. The possibilities are infinite. While enjoying the immersive interactivity of Pixton for Schools, students hone critical skills such as how to convey an idea concisely, how to tell a story in a logical sequence, how to communicate and collaborate with others. Comics can be printed, downloaded, embedded, and shared on the web, easily included in student publications, websites, and multimedia projects. All this happens within a private, structured environment moderated by the teacher. Setup is easy. Students can be added with or without email, and they're organized into groups or classrooms. The teacher can customize each classroom's settings to control what students are able to see and do. This way, Pixton for Schools can be adapted to fit across the spectrum of teaching and learning styles, from traditional classrooms to e-learning and self-assessment. It's also officially certified for use on smart and Promethean interactive whiteboards. Student productivity revolves around project-based activities. Teachers can make their own projects or import and modify project templates from our shared project bank. The project bank is searchable by subject area, level, and keyword, and each project is easily aligned with curriculum standards and objectives. Once a project is assigned to a class, students start creating comics. There are a number of ways students can begin their comics. They can start from scratch, choose a preset layout or a quick template comic, or they can remix comics published by their teacher or classmates, ideal for collaborative projects. Once a student has completed a comic, they submit it to their teacher. If the teacher has turned moderation on, each submitted comic appears on the teacher's homepage, where they have the option to approve it or to send it back to the student for revision. Once a comic's approved, it's published to the student gallery and shared with the rest of the class. Students can then read and comment on one another's comics, adding an element of social interaction and feedback that's an important part of any 21st century web-based tool. Teachers can grade students' performance using a simple 5-star rating system or through our innovative comic rubrics. With rubrics, both teachers and students see the criteria by which comics are evaluated. Having students evaluate their own work or conduct peer evaluation inspires them to achieve higher excellence and ultimately makes grading easier for the teacher. With thousands of teachers and students around the world, we've designed Pixton for Schools for all ages, including adults, and to be applicable in any subject area. We're constantly incorporating feedback from our users, and we're continuing to innovate every day. Pixton for Schools is the leading and the original online comic-making software for education. Visit us at pixton.com. Sign up, watch our how-to and orientation videos for more detailed information, and you'll learn why Pixton comics are a teacher's secret weapon.